can go outside right now and pop lock and drop it on my porch. Security!
I swear when I serve, now I be surfing swag. I'm on hypnotic, polo on my body.
Yeah, we nucky and bucky and ready to fight.
Booty me down, booty me down, booty me down, booty me down, booty.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kai Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by My First Wig. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so before we get into this wig, because we got things to do, let me go ahead and pour my wine, Stella Rosa Green Apple. You know what it is. Okay, you know what it is. Just my last little bottle of this joint, so I need to go ahead and savor this moment real quick. Excuse me. That's good. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from My First Wig. It is a headband wig. I know some of you guys are tired of headband wigs, but you know I'm not. So this is their Terra Bob. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $129.50. Hold up, okay? Hold up. Okay, that's affordable. Okay, that is affordable, but they also have a sale going on right now, so let's go ahead and talk about that really quick. You can get this unit in a silky or a yaki texture, 10, 12, 14, or 16 inches, and 2 different cap sizes, okay? So I got mine in the yaki texture and 12 inches, and my price without the sale is $143.50. Very affordable in my opinion, especially for this quality. However, they are having a back to school sale right now, so you can actually get this unit for $30 off. Okay, so with my specs, my unit will be $113.50. Who's going to get their wig right now? Get your wig right now. I see you, Cynthia. I know you're going to get it. So this is how that unit is looking out the pack. It comes with the black headband already attached to the unit. You guys have been seeing that on all the headband wigs, okay? And then there's some combs in here. Yep, so there's 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit does come, like I said, in 2 different cap sizes. So size 1 is 21.5 to 22 inches, and then size 2 is 22.5 to 23 inches. I got size 2 because you guys know my head is big every day. So let's go ahead and put this joint on real quick. Do I need my wig grip? I don't know. Let's do it. Let's do it anyway. I don't want to be slipping. I ain't using them combs. So let's go ahead and do it anyway and get her situated. And these are supposed to be very easy, y'all, and they are. Okay, they are super easy. Throw on and go. Let's get her out the way. Okay, no edges, no problem. Okay, cover them joints up. Let's go ahead. Oh, this is snug. Get this wrapped around my head real quick. Okay, let's pull that down. I have my hot comb. I have my hot iron. What is this? I have my flat iron right here because the hair is not, it's not perfect yet. So we're gonna go ahead and just bump that on through. Okay, straighten that out. Give me a little bump action. I'm definitely feeling the yak up in my texture. Okay, there is not really a harsh chemical smell in this unit, and I didn't go in and wash it. I know. Shush. I wanted to show you guys what it could do out the pack, so that's what we're doing. Okay, that's what we're doing. Where are my glasses? Let me put my glasses on so I can see. There's 1 density for this unit, so nothing crazy at all. Now inside the pack, I did get some goodies. So you get like the whole little starter kit. So you get a comb, some clips, you get some bobby pins, you get the wig in the little carrying case, which is super cute, and then you also get headbands. So the headbands you have to buy separately. They have a ton of headbands on their site. I got 2 solid colors, a dark tan and then like a yellow, and then I got this little red flowery joint right here. Just gonna pull this back a little bit like that, and I'm gonna put on this yellow joint first. Okay, that's what I want to do. Let's just go ahead and put that on real quick, y'all. Y'all see what's happening? Let me get my glasses straight. Cover that up real quick. And there we go. Okay, simple. When they say ready to go, they meant it. Okay, they meant what they said. Ready to go. Yes, here we go. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, who said something? Who said something? Look at the movement. Oh, look at the movement. Very simple. If you want to put some little curls in this joint, you can definitely do that. Look at me. Look at me. Y'all know I love a good curl, don't you? Don't you? On budget, but still quality. You hear me? And like I said, if you don't have no edges, what you got to do? Just bring this joint on down. You just slide it forward like this, and bring your headband on down like so. Okay, no edges necessary. I said what I said. So let's go ahead and put on the brown one. Let's get her around my earrings. Kai gotta be extra with the big old earrings. Okay, we're gonna do a little something. We got something in common. song just popped in my head, but okay, we're gonna roll with it anyway. Where my bow? Do a little something. Just do a little rappy rap. Let's get my bobby pin out. Come on, come on. Let me put on the red joints because I don't want to have too much brown around my face. Okay, something real cute and simple, just every day. Y'all see how easy this is, okay? Beginner friendly, yes, okay? You can style these joints in under a minute, y'all. If Kenny called me right now and said, babe, I want to take you on a date, but you gotta be ready in 10 minutes. I'm gonna be ready in under 5. You hear me? Okay, 1, 2, zoom. We out of here. Bust it down, sis. Even with that half up, half down, you don't see tracks. Y'all see tracks? Huh? Do you see tracks? No. If you want to just wear the unit with the black headband, you can definitely do that. You don't need the headbands to rock your wig. You really don't. But the added headbands just give you some more color. That's it. Without the headband, this is how it looks from the side, okay? And then this is how it looks to the back. It's a natural density. It flows nice, and it's still hot outside. I know I've been waiting for fall. I'm still waiting for that cold weather to get here. But until then, okay, I'm still trying to protect the neck. Okay, and then we have our little last headband here. Let's bring this down a little bit further, and then we're going to do our headband on top of here. If I can get this right, I can never get this right. What's going on? Okay, crisscross applesauce. Here we go. Smooth that down. Oop, come on, come on. And smooth that down. Where's the crisscross? Where is it? Okay, here we go. Like that. I knew there was a crisscross in there somewhere. What'd I say, y'all? What did I say? Didn't I say easy? Didn't I say easy? Okay, I'm here for this, okay? I am here for this. I can go outside right now and pop lock and drop it on my porch, and my wig not going nowhere, okay? What wig? What wig? Look, security. I like this, okay? I liked this a lot, okay? Oh, wait a minute, my little crisscross is moving. I like that on the side. Okay, she real cute. I'm here for this. I am here for this, okay? And guess what? You should be too. All the specs and direct link for this unit will be listed down below, so you guys can check it out if you want to. Shout out one more time to My First Wig for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.